Welcome to the best picks. The best Bomba de Gasolina Ford F-150 is probably one of the most crucial components for keeping your truck running smoothly. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of fuel pumps, exploring everything from their essential function to the telltale signs of failure. We'll cover what to look for when selecting a replacement, ensuring your F-150 gets the fuel it needs to conquer any road. Number 5. A premium fuel pump assembly for Ford F-150. This is the A premium fuel pump assembly designed for Ford vehicles. It's a reliable replacement part to keep your engine running smoothly. This fuel pump assembly is compatible with various Ford F-150 models from 1999 to 2004, including the F-150 Heritage. It fits specific engine sizes and wheelbase configurations. It is designed for 4.2L, 4.6L, and 5.4L engines. Please ensure the part fits your specific vehicle model before purchasing. This assembly is only for naturally aspirated models. Double-check the fitment and wheelbase of your vehicle to ensure compatibility. The package includes the fuel pump assembly itself, along with related parts like a fuel sending unit and strainer. Everything you need for a complete replacement is included. What we like. This fuel pump assembly is designed for a wide range of Ford F-150 models from 1999 to 2004. It comes as a complete assembly, making the installation process straightforward. If you have an older F-150 and need a reliable, easy-to-install fuel pump, this is a great choice. What people say. The product works as expected. The fuel pump assembly fit perfectly. Installed the fuel pump and it works great. Number 4. A premium fuel pump module for Ford F-150 2004 to 2008. This is a fuel pump module assembly from A Premium. It's designed to be a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance for your vehicle. This fuel pump is compatible with Ford F-150 models from 2004 to 2008, specifically those with 4.2L, 4.6L, and 5.4L engines. Make sure it fits your car. The product replaces part numbers like E2434M and others. This makes it easy to find the right part for your truck. Check the list to confirm it matches your needs. It fits various wheelbase configurations, including 125.8, 126.0, 126.1, and 132.5. Ensure this matches your truck specifications before purchasing. The assembly includes the fuel pump, seal ring, fuel sending unit, and strainer. Everything you need for a complete replacement is included. A Premium offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. You can buy this product with confidence, knowing it's backed by a solid warranty. What we like. This fuel pump assembly comes with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, offering peace of mind. It is compatible with a range of F-150 models from 2004 to 2008. If you value long-term reliability and coverage, this pump's warranty makes it a smart investment. What people say. I have had no issue, works great. Pense que no iba a encajar, pero quedó perfecto para una Ford F-150 2008 FX4. Well, had to drop fuel tank to install but easy install. Number 3. Fuel pump module for Ford F-150 and Lincoln Mark LT. This fuel pump module assembly is designed for various Ford F-150 and Lincoln Mark LT models. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. This module is built to meet or exceed OEM standards. This fuel pump fits Ford F-150 models from 2004 to 2008, including 4.6L, 5.4L, and 4.2L engines, and 2006 to 2008 Lincoln Mark LT 5.4L. The part numbers are also listed for easy cross-referencing. Please confirm compatibility before purchase. The fuel pump uses an enhanced 4th-generation turbo pump motor. This improves fuel atomization and reduces engine startup time. It also prevents common issues like noise and stalling. It includes a pressure sensor and dual fuel lines for optimal fuel balance. The high-precision oil level sensor provides accurate fuel gauge readings. This helps you avoid breakdowns and ensures timely refueling. The module is designed for simple, trouble-free installation. It meets OEM standards in fit, form, and function. Professional installation is recommended, but it's engineered for ease of use. The package includes the electric fuel pump and sending unit module assembly. Customer service is available to assist with any issues. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This fuel pump assembly features an enhanced turbo pump for better fuel atomization and quicker starts. It also includes an accurate fuel level sensor. If you are looking for improved engine performance and accurate fuel level readings, this pump is an excellent option. What people say. Fuel module worked as should. Plug and play. Is functional worth what cost and fit right? Works great. Number 2. ECCPP E2237S fuel pump for Ford F-150. This is an ECCPP electric fuel pump, compatible with Ford F-150 Heritage models from 2004 and other Ford vehicles. It works with both V6 4.2L and V8 4.6L engines. Make sure it fits your car before you buy it. The fuel pump sucks fuel from the tank, pressurizes it, and sends it to the engine. It works with the fuel pressure regulator to ensure a steady fuel supply. This ensures your engine gets the fuel it needs. Please note that this ECCPP fuel pump assembly does not include a pressure sensor. You'll need to reuse the original black pressure sensor from your old assembly. Be sure to keep that part. ECCPP fuel pumps are designed for low noise, which improves your driving experience. They offer a balance of cost and reliability. This product is designed to meet your needs. Before you buy, double-check the part numbers to make sure they match your old fuel pump. If you're unsure, ask your mechanic or contact us. It's important to get the right fit. What we like. This fuel pump is designed for low-noise operation, enhancing your driving comfort. It balances cost and reliability to meet various needs. If you value a quiet ride and a reliable fuel pump without breaking the bank, you should consider this. What people say. Completed installation of the fuel pump assembly into a 2001 Ford F-150. Shortly after its arrival, pump looks beautiful, just wanted to stare at it for a while, and performs beautifully. Always install a new fuel filter when installing a new pump. When ECCPP states OEM replacement, they mean it. Perfect match. Perfect fit. The float on this pump assembly rotates on the float arm, whereas, upon removing the original, vehicle manufacturer's, assembly from the fuel tank, I discovered that the float on the original assembly is fixed on the arm in an on-its-edge position. Number 1. Apeixoto E2237S fuel pump for Ford F-150 F-250. This fuel pump assembly is designed to fit various Ford F-150 and F-250 models from 1999 to 2004. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. The fuel pump is compatible with multiple OE part numbers, including E2237S and XL3Z9H307BB. This ensures the product can replace the original part without any issues. It also works with brands like Apeixoto, Airtex, and Bosch. This fuel pump offers a wide range of compatibility, making it a versatile choice. Enjoy peace of mind with our 60-day free return and a 1-year free replacement warranty. We stand behind our product and are committed to your satisfaction. Each Apeixoto fuel pump undergoes rigorous testing before shipping. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us for assistance. We are here to help. While not a genuine part, this fuel pump is designed for easy installation and performs just as well, if not better, than the original. It's designed to look and function like the original. What we like. This fuel pump is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. It is also compatible with OE part numbers. If you are looking for a hassle-free replacement with a solid warranty, this pump is a great choice. What people say. It fit perfectly and works just like the OEM part. Once I installed it, the pump worked right away, no issue. Good quality. This unit was a perfect fit to the OEM part. The pump worked and the float works for the fuel gauge. For the price, it is an exceptional value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.